Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most popular designs of handmade crochet home decoration gadgets. These beautiful articles are very amazing, so please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful ideas. So ever please share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive designs. I really hope that they will love these most popular home decoration handmade crochet articles. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different most attractive colors, and some are kids articles and some are very amazing and wall hanging designs. So pick your favorite one and must make for your home's beauty. Thank you viewers for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an most amazing collection for them. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.